Hello guys, welcome to Everything for Everyone. This is my third video on my channel and second video in the black hole series. I want to thank all of you for the support you have given to my channel. I really appreciate it. In the last video, we have already learned about the origin story of the black holes. Who have discovered these black holes? What is the structure of the black hole? And finally, the types of black holes. If you haven't watched that video, I recommend you all to watch that video first, as it will help you to understand the basic concepts about black hole. You will find the link of the black holes part 1 video in the description box. Now, in this video we are going to look at the facts related to the black holes, like, is black hole really sucks everything? Is black hole really emits radiations? What is spaghettification phenomenon? Are you able to see black hole with naked eyes? Is any object can become a black hole? Is black holes having a finite lifetime? If our sun replaced by black hole, will our solar system work normally? Can our sun turns to become a black hole? As well as we are going to take a look at some of the famous black holes in the universe. In order to find out the answers of all above questions, stay tuned till the end of the video. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. We know, black hole is a region of space-time, where gravity is so strong that nothing, even light, cannot escape from its immense gravitational force. These black holes are formed when a massive star collapses at the end of their life cycle. Or the other reason is a group of stars falling together. Or, from the large gas cloud falling together and accelerating the masses. Even, we have seen, after the formation of black hole, it can continuously grow up by consuming nearby mass surrounding it. As we have already seen the details of the black holes in the previous video. Let's move on to the facts related to the black holes. Number 1. Is black hole really sucks everything? The answer to this question is no. It is the common misconception among the people that black hole sucks everything in the universe. When in fact, black holes didn't suck everything in the space, apart from having enormous and dangerous gravitational field. If any star or planet reach very near to the black hole, then in that case only, black holes consumes them. It is safe to observe black hole from the secure distance. Number 2. Is black hole really emits radiations? Answer is no. Black holes do not emit any radiations on their own. These radiations were emitted by the stellar material which is orbiting in the accretion disk. The stellar material, which is heated to possibly billion-degree Fahrenheit, and has the ability to transform into energy in the form of blackbody radiation. Number 3. What is spaghettification phenomenon? It is also known by the other name as noodle effect. It is vertical stretching and horizontal compression of object into a long thin shape just like a spaghetti. This happens because of the extreme gravitational force exerted by singularity of the black holes. The great scientist Stephen Hawking described that if an astronaut went inside the black hole, when he reached at event horizon of black hole, he will stretch like spaghetti. This is caused because the gravitational force exerted by the singularity on the body part facing towards it is very higher than the body part facing away from the singularity. It turns any body into the shape like spaghetti. Human undergone the spaghettification effect of the black hole will die within a second. It is observed that none of the body can survive from this effect, no matter how hard it is. This is another reason, because of which we are not able to reach near the singularity of the black hole. Number 4. Are you able to see black hole with naked eyes? The answer is no. You can't see black hole with naked eyes, as it absorbs all the light hitting it. However, we can see the accretion disk spiraling inwards towards the black holes. As the material in the accretion disk reached near the event horizon, the tidal force is at its peak. Because of this, it generates lots of heat. It's so hot that it starts glowing in X-rays, and with the help of this X-rays, these black holes are detected. Number 5. Is any object can become a black hole? Theoretically, you can turn anything into a black hole. Any body with a physical radius smaller than that of Schwarzschild radius will be a black hole. For example, the Schwarzschild radius of Sun is 3 kilometers. Below 3 kilometers radius, our Sun will turn into a black hole. If you shrink the entire mass of Earth into a less than 1-inch sphere, the Earth turn into a black hole. The Schwarzschild radius of the human body is of the order of 10 raised to minus 23 centimeters, which is much smaller than nucleus of an atom. Below 10 raised to minus 23 centimeters, human body will turn into a black hole. Number 6. Is black holes having a finite lifetime? Yes. Black holes also have a lifespan like all the living thing on planet Earth. But its lifespan is pretty much high. This fascinating discovery was predicted by world's famous scientist Stephen Hawking in 1974. Stephen Hawking predicted that the black hole could evaporate over time. This phenomenon is called as Hawking radiation. This Hawking radiation dispersed the black hole's mass completely over time, and this process continued until the last drop of the black hole completely dispersed. Because of this, black holes do not get any mass from the space, and ultimately it will shrink, and will completely vanish. This is why Hawking radiation is also known as black hole evaporation. Roughly, if any supermassive black hole starts to evaporate, it will completely vanish in approximately 2 into 10 raised to 100 years. Which is longer than the age of universe. Number 7. If our sun replaced by black hole, will our solar system work normally? Don't worry. Our planet will not get sucked inside. The black hole will remain in the same position as that of sun. All the planets will rotate around the black holes, as they were rotating around the sun, as this black hole has the same mass as that of sun. But it will surely affect life on Earth. As the sun has vanished, the temperature on the Earth reduced drastically. Earth will get colder, and all the oceans on Earth will freeze, as it is always night on the Earth. The photosynthesis will be stopped in the absence of the sun, and slowly all the plants and trees will be vanished from the Earth. In less than a year, because of the absence of the sun, the Earth's temperature will fall down to minus 73 degrees, and slowly all the life on Earth came to exist. Number 8. Can our sun turns to become a black hole? Answer is no. Our sun will not transform into a black hole. This is because the black holes are formed when the mass of the star is 10 to 20 times that of our sun. Before any star turned into a black hole, it explodes into a supernova at the end of their life cycle, and then converted into a black hole. But in case of our sun, after the 5 billion years, when our sun is at its last of its fuel reserves, it will not exploded into supernova. Instead, it becomes a white dwarf. That is, it will become a small, dense remnant of the star, which glows from leftover heat. Now, we will take a look at some of the famous black holes in the universe. The first famous black hole is the black hole, which is discovered first, back in 1964. It is known by the name of Cygnus X1. It is a stellar black hole. We have already discussed about the types of black hole in the previous video. To know about the types of black holes in detail, watch my previous video. Cygnus X1 is 6,500 light-years away from the Earth, and it is almost 10 times more massive than our Sun. Second black hole is Sagittarius A. It is the region where a supermassive black hole located at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. This black hole is 4.6 million times bigger than our Sun, and 26,000 light-years away from the Earth. This black hole has a radius of 22 million kilometers. Third black hole is located in Centaurus A. It is also known as NGC 5128. Centaurus A is a giant elliptical galaxy, discovered in 1826 by a Scottish astronomer named James Dunlop. It is 13.5 million light-years away from the Sun. This galaxy contains a supermassive black hole in the heart of it. The supermassive black hole in the heart of this galaxy is 55 million times massive than Sun. Fourth famous black hole is located in M87. That is, Messier 87, which is also known as NGC 4486. It is a supergiant elliptical galaxy. The French astronomer Charles Messier discovered this galaxy in 1781. It is 53.49 million light-years away from the Earth. This galaxy also have a supermassive black hole, which is much bigger than the Sagittarius A. It is 6.5 billion times more massive than Sun. The first real image of the supermassive black hole in the center of M87 is published by Event Horizon Telescope on April 10, 2019. You may think this is the massive black hole in the universe, but you are wrong. There is still many monsters black holes lurking in the universe, which falls into the category of the ultra-massive black holes. The largest black hole found till date is Ton 618. It is the ultra-massive black hole located till date, which is 66 billion times more massive than Sun. It is 32.5 times wider than our solar system. The event horizon of this black hole is 198 billion kilometers. It is 10.37 billion light-years away from Earth. It is a quasar. A quasar is nothing but a supermassive black hole with a mass ranging from million or billion times that of Sun. The surrounding rotating stellar material, which is falling inside the black hole, has heated up and shines brightly. Ton 618 is 140 trillion times brighter than Sun, and also one of the brightest objects in the known universe. So, these are some famous and more massive black holes in the universe, which has a power to consume our entire solar system into it. I hope this two-part series have gave you enough knowledge about black holes. So, that's it guys for today's video. Here we have concluded the basic black hole series. Thank you guys for watching this video. Our channel is committed to bring you more awesome videos like this. Please like this video, share it to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, see you soon.